Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. We are going to talk a little bit about Office Exclusive and some tips that I have for you. We've gotten some questions on some various actions within an Office Exclusive, so we want to make sure that you guys know how you can make adjustments, make edits, and we're going to look at how to add information to an existing Office exclusive. So if you're planning on putting that into a standard listing, you can start preparing it for that time. We're also going to show you how to make that change from an Office exclusive to a standard listing. And we're also going to look at how to find expired listings again using the search in case your Office exclusive has expired and you need to locate it to make a change or an update based on listing agreement changes. So we are going to start with how to make edits and add information to your Office exclusive. So we'll start here with clicking in our edit button. Now, this is an Office exclusive that has already been submitted. Now, just because it's been submitted as an Office exclusive doesn't mean that I can't come in and still work in it. So if you are looking to start to add your information, if you're preparing it to add to, a standard listing, putting it, say, coming soon or active, and you want to start adding that information so that when you're ready to make that change, it's already in there. You can simply come into your Office exclusive. You don't need to change anything here to keep it in its current status, but you can still access say the photos, if you want to go ahead and add in your photos and arrange those around. You also can come in, to your features and rooms and start adding your room details, any remarks, internet settings, and really go through adding information about the association and, taxes, any of that information that you would like to add in as you prepare this listing. This can all be done ahead of time while it's in this Office exclusive state. And once you've made those changes, I'm going to go ahead and just add some information here just so that it can have a change to look at. Then we're ready to simply back out. We can simply click our back arrow here. And it is going to ask if I want to publish changes. Now, this may make you feel like you're publishing and making it active, but remember, we haven't made any changes to the status. It's still selected as Office exclusive, yes. So when I publish these changes, it's even going to give me that reminder that I'm still in an Office exclusive status. So it is letting me know that I am updating that and submitting that Office exclusive listing, and that's fine. Even if you've already submitted it, this is just going to update the details of the Office exclusive listing. This is not going to put anything out into the actual system to where it's searchable. This is really only allowing the update to this Office exclusive. Now, when you are ready to update and change that status, you can simply come in again to edit, and we are going to go ahead and plan to convert this into a standard listing. Now, in order to do that, I will need to first come up here to my Office exclusive yes, no, and change this over to no. Otherwise, I'm not going to have access to the statuses that I'm hoping for, like coming soon or active. So I first need to come to my Office exclusive yes, no, click no, and you'll see now we've changed. We have all of these additional required fields that we're going to need to complete before this is ready to go out. We also have the additional statuses available. So if I was ready to go into a coming soon status, I'm still going to be able to do that for the full 21-day period. And I can go ahead and add in all those extra details to this listing so that when I go to publish, I'll be able to share all that great information with everyone out in the MLS, and they'll be able to search and find all those details. So it's very simple. You just need to really make sure that you have changed your status up here from Office exclusive yes, no, from yes to no, and then you'll be able to select one of the standard listing statuses, make your changes, and publish. Now I'm going to go back and put this back into my Office exclusive status for my demo here. I also need to come back and change my status, as that's not an acceptable status when I am in Office exclusive. So I'll select the correct one there. And then we're going to go ahead and back out. I'm going to click this arrow up at the top. I'm going to say publish changes. Again, I really converted it back, didn't really make much change here, but I'm going to go ahead and submit, and I still have this in my Office exclusive status. Now, I did want to also show, just as any listing expires, it removes that listing from your listing management screen. So if you have that happen with an Office exclusive, the same applies. You'll simply need to come into this top right section here to do more search options. And this is where you'll be able to locate that potentially Office exclusive or any other listing that you may have tried to track down that has hit an expired status. You can search by all of these various fields. You have MLS number here. You can put the address in. You can even add in statuses here. So you can search by status. But if you have access to multiple, you can also add listing agent, and this will help you locate any listings that may not be displaying in your standard screen here. So we hope you found that helpful. Just a couple tips as it relates to Office exclusive. And if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We have great educational resources, articles with videos, and we also have office hours available for anybody that wants to chat more one-on-one with a coach. You can find that under our education tab, and you can select connect with a coach. All right, thanks guys. Have a great day.